And actually, it kind of started because a buddy of mine who lives in Mississippi actually was like, hey, I've only ever done retail. Like, he does copper work. And he's like, we had a big hailstorm. Can you just look at some claims and see what's up? So his very, very first claim he gave to us, he was going to be losing like $2,000. At this point, I'd already started my own roofing business. So I had my own company for a couple of years prior to that. Ended up making him an extra $28,000 on that claim. And he won one claim. Yeah. And he's like, I got three more for you. So in those 3 claims, we made him over $100,000 in profit on 3 claims. And this dude's like, you've got a business. How much do I owe you? I'm like, just like 10%.